Welcome to this Easy Computer Fixes channel, and if you're one of those people that needs to have synchronized time on your computer, one of the things that happens on PCs is that very often the clock will run slow or will run fast. And even though it doesn't show, because if you use it every day, it might not be that much of a difference, but for some of us, amateur radio gear, for example, or for scientific purposes, some of us require very precise time. And there are apps out there that keep the time synchronized. But in Windows, you can also have it synchronized automatically. So you go into your taskbar where the clock is and you right-click on it. In there, you will actually go to Adjust Date and Time. Now, in Windows 10, you will have that in a settings menu, and this is where you can actually set things. But here there's additional date and time in regional settings on the right side that you can go through. So you can click that and it will bring you the good old panel where time is this old thing. And if you're on Windows 7 and you follow this tutorial, you're getting to this page automatically. So in here you have internet time that you'll click, and then you click change settings. It says here you can synchronize time with time.windows.com. I prefer time.nist.com, which is the National Institute of Standards, which usually works better. You simply click update now, and usually it will synchronize your clock. Now, one of the things that unfortunately happens quite often, and you see it happening right now here, it says please wait while Windows synchronizes. I don't know why sometimes it has difficulty synchronizing with these services. So for example, here an error occurred. When that happens, try it several times in a row, and at some point it should work. If you really can't do it with NIST, you can try it with time.windows.com and see if it synchronizes. Unfortunately, I don't know why this happens regularly, but you try it 4 or 5 times. If it doesn't do it right away, or try the time.windows.com. Here we go. Clock is successfully synchronized on the windows.com. At some point it will be synchronized. Unfortunately, I still don't understand why it's so complicated to just synchronize a clock. But once you do it, you should be quite precise on your clocks in Windows. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.